Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you a very quick recipe which is also one of the most preferred Indian snack or chakna, what we usually call it. Yes, I am talking about peanut masala. So it is a very simple yet very tasty recipe when you don't have too many choices. It serves as a very good starter for any kinds of drinks, be it hard or soft drinks. So without any further delay, let's get started. So we have all the ingredients ready. So let's proceed. We will heat up the pan and fry the raw peanuts first. We'll pour some oil now. Some salt. You can add some pepper also if you want it more spicy. Peanuts are cold now, so I will mix the other ingredients. I am taking this peanut masala with one of my favorite drink, Blue Lagoon. So if you want the recipe of this, you can click the link above or in the description below. Tastes good. So that's it from this video. Stay healthy, stay home and stay safe. Until next time, cheers.